Now, I know there's a lot to think about when you're creating your videos, but there are some video mistakes you must avoid. I'm not talking about your lighting, your framing, or your sound. I've got a video for that. What I'm talking about today are the kinds of mistakes you're making that are sending your viewer packing. Okay, I don't want you making those mistakes. You don't want to make those mistakes. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and meet me right back here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the first video mistake that I need you to stop making is that you don't have a vision, a goal, or a plan for your videos. You need to know, where does this specific video fit into your bigger marketing plan? When people are watching your videos, do you know where you're sending them? Do you know where they're coming from? You really need to think through, where does this video fit? And video mistake number 2 is that you think the videos are about you. Yeah, I know it's you on camera here, but your videos are not about you. Now, this is where my introvert friends can just do a tiny little dance, because guess what? It's not about you. That was my introvert dance. Your videos aren't about you. They're about your audience. You need to deeply understand what it is your audience is searching for, and then make a video about that. Now, video mistake number 3 is not understanding that there's different types of content for different platforms. Your Facebook and Instagram videos are not even close to the same types of videos that you're going to use on YouTube or even LinkedIn. You have to understand that there are different types of content for different types of platforms. Social videos, Instagram, Facebook, the what and the why. Or is it a search engine like Pinterest or YouTube here, where you're looking for the how? Or maybe you're showing up on LinkedIn, which is authority. It's its own category there, where you are establishing your authority so people understand that you are the best at what you do. Now, mistake number 4 in the video world is that you assume you should just already be really good at this video thing. How many times have I heard that? It doesn't work that way. Listen, I teach something called the expectation gap. And the expectation gap is this: you see videos of people who are really good on video. They're here. And then you're over here and you're like, no, I want to be here. And that gap is not that big. But here's the thing. You need to embrace the suck. You have to be willing to suck at first to close that gap. And that gap is not nearly as big as you think it is, but you have to be willing to be a beginner, and you have to get started, because you're not going to magically take a pill one night, wake up the next morning and be like, I'm amazing on camera and people can't stop watching my video. I wish. It doesn't work that way. Right? There's no magic pill. There's no easy button. You simply have to start making videos, start making mistakes, and get better and better and better. Which brings me to mistake number 5, and that is you are overcomplicating everything. Listen, I just said it. The only way to get good at videos is to start making videos. But if you're just making excuses and trying to make videos, you are not going to get good at video. So this last one is, I have videos for everything on this channel. Your framing, your lighting, how to use Zoom to record. Go watch all of them, but then implement. I want you to stop trying and start doing. I'm here for you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and I'll meet you right back here next week. I've got you. Go ahead, hit that button. Oh, I can't see your videos. Ooh, ooh. I can see your videos.